What's up, YouTube and all my babies? It's your girl Receivers coming at you with another video. Make sure we like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend to tell somebody else to tell their mother and them to please come over here because we're litty and your girl really does appreciate it. And also make sure you turn on your post notifications to let you know when your girl is uploading. And y'all, it's the month of October. And I never really been into Halloween per se, but as a kid growing up, as a kid, which I probably had no business watching, but I've always watched horror movies. Always. And I'm not talking about the Disney Halloween Town, Hocus Pocus. I'm talking about your Friday the 13th, Nightmare on Elm Street, Texas Chainsaw Massacre, Exorcist. I can go on. I can really go on. And I love Halloween movies. And I don't know. I just find horror movies just dope. I still watch them now to this day. And I'm 30. And I will watch them with a straight mug on my face. Unless it's something that gave me a jump. Like, what's a movie that gave me a jump? The Babadook. The Babadook. I'll try to spell it up here. That gave me a jump. That's a good, underrated movie. The Babadook. It was one movie that I could not finish watching. I tried to finish watching it. I couldn't. Because it was just the one part freaked me out. It's called Separation. It's basically, I'll link it up. I'll put the name up here. Y'all, it's about this father and daughter. The mom dies. And the little daughter, because y'all know, for some reason in scary movies, it's always the kid, like, such and such here. You want to talk to such and such? That's my friend. Basically, I'm just going to give y'all a summary. I'm not going to tell y'all the whole story because I don't even know what happened because I turned it off. Basically, the little girl mom, she passes away, and her spirit is still talking to the daughter and stuff. She's nice to the daughter, but she's mean to the dad. Like, the dad is starting to see stuff. But y'all, I cut it off when the dad was in the hallway. And it was this thing. It was like a man, he was walking backwards and stuff. And the dad is looking and, moving back and stuff like that. And he moves back. The man, he flips over, and I turned it off. It freaked me out. It freaked me out so bad that I was home alone one day. And I kept looking at my staircase because I thought somebody was going to be moving. I can't. I had to turn that off. But other movies and stuff, Freddy versus Jason, Mama, that was a good movie. Another movie that had me jump was Sinister 1 and 2, definitely good ones. I want to say the first one was that Ethan Hawke. I want to say Ethan Hawke was in the first one. That's a good movie. So basically in the month of October, I might try to do a little Halloween situation. It's not going to be themed and stuff like that. You'll still see, y'all know my little garland right here. That's just me. That's my aesthetics. So I might try to do a little unboxing of some Halloween tings. But y'all, and this one, y'all, one of my favorite Halloween fictional characters is Child's Play. My favorite Child's Play movie, even including the series, because I've seen all of the Chuckies, and I've seen the series. And I don't know if y'all see this, if the second season has already been out yet or not, but I plan on watching it. But out of all of the Chucky ones, the first one, the original one with Andy, favorite one, hands down. I don't care what nobody say. Don't argue with me. Argue with your mama. That's all I gotta say. The first one with Andy is just so... The work is phenomenal. Those old school classic movies, they don't make them like that anymore. That one, when I first seen Chucky, it made me not like dolls. But now that I'm an adult and I know that, of course, it's fictional, y'all, I was on, what was this? I think I purchased this from Spencer's or Hot Topic. I'll link it down below. I took it out the bag because I was antsy. I had to. I just had to make sure it looked like, just in case I needed to return it back. I didn't want it time to go by, but y'all, I got this. Ooh, 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 ooh. So y'all, this is the Chucky. This is called the Chucky Shoulder Sitter doll. And basically, I don't know if y'all can. Okay, so y'all can probably see. Let me take it out the bag first. Duh, what are you doing? So y'all, I thought this was so cute. So basically, the Chucky Sitter doll. Remember in the Chucky movies, like Chucky would be, he would have Andy in the chokehold. Like, mind you, it's a doll, but he would just be, he'll be taking Andy up top. Like he would have Andy like this and be on his back. So remember in the movie when Andy be carrying Chucky on his back and stuff? That's basically what this doll is. It's called the Shoulder Sitter doll. So he sits on your shoulder, and it actually has like a harness strap that you can wear so he can actually be, harnessed on your shoulder. And I thought it was so cute. Like, y'all, look at Chucky. Let me get him out of this. And this is my first Chucky doll that I purchased. Because they actually have good guy dolls. Because y'all know Chucky is a good guy doll. And they actually have the ones that are in the toy store before. What was the name? The dude's name? I think his name was Charles Lee. He was the killer person that is Chucky, but he's the human form. Remember when they're at the beginning when they're in the toy store, those good guy dolls? They actually have those, and they had one that's like the size of a toddler. But y'all, days when I probably didn't have a little Tito's or a little wine. I don't need something that big staring at me because then I'm gonna think that he gonna move. Even though I know he ain't gonna move. You can be have a little liquor in you, and I don't need that playing on my heart. Because I'm at the age where I'm not trying to have no heart attack. Okay, so I said if I'm gonna get a Chucky doll, I need for him to be small. So, I didn't move y'all all the way back. My bad. So y'all, I thought this was so cute. Chucky needs a little blowout situation, but it does come with, he has on the good guy little uniform. Y'all know his little shoes, the little overalls with the little shirt, striped shirt. This knife it's flexible. It's just basically Velcro. It comes off like that. It's a Velcro, so you can just stick it back on. Overalls, just regular. The body type, it's plush. It's not like hard body. It's bendable and stuff like that. It's plush. His head is hard part. I want to say this is like a hard plastic. And as you can see, this is the Chucky version when he didn't had a few reconstructions going on to put them together. And if I'm not mistaken, I want to say when he was put together like this, was this in the Bride versus Chucky? If I have any, some Chucky lovers down in the bottom, tell me which video, because I've seen them all, but some of them, they all kind of run in with each other. But I want to say it was the Bride of Chucky when Tiffany put him back together, when she kind of had to make it do what it do. So yeah, I thought this was so cute, y'all. My mom's over here watching me. She's freaked out about. Hold on, why did it turn darker? Okay, there we go. She's freaked out of dolls, but I love horror like stuff, like I really do. So I had to get this kind of get under her skin because I thought it was funny. So I thought this was so cute. And yeah, y'all, just need to probably brush out Chucky's hair a little bit because there's a little situation going on. But yeah, I thought this was so cute. I had to purchase this. I actually had to pre-order this. Y'all, I'm like, I want to get this. I never seen anything like this before. I didn't want it to sell out, so I had to pre-order it. And it was free shipping and handling. So I want to say with tax, it was like about no more than like $58, if that. But it was like in the 50 or and some change. And I thought it was cute. A little creepy, but I love it. So yeah, y'all, this is my unboxing of my Chucky Sitter doll. And before we get up out of here, I'm just going to show you the actual chain. Or not even the chain, the harness that it comes with. I'm not going to be using this because I'm not going to be carrying no doll on my back. Even though Halloween is coming up and I might be going to a Halloween function. I already got my costume in place, so I'm just saying. Just saying. Yeah, so this contraption, yeah, I'm not wearing this. This is giving me leash vibes, but this has like, it looks like blood on, it's not blood, but that's what they're going for as far as like splatter, like right there. So this is something cute, and basically you would just carry him on your shoulder and he would be like this, like how he had Andy, and Andy was just moving around. He's just like, come on. So yeah, y'all, I hope y'all enjoyed this little video of my unboxing, and I hope to see you ghouls and goblins at a later time. See ya.